making Rice Krispies treats. The reason why we're making Rice Krispie treats is because just like Rice Krispies stick together, families should stick together, care for each other, and pray for each other. First, melt 5½ cups of marshmallow and 1/4 cup of butter. We melt it in the microwave, but be careful in taking it out of the microwave because the bowls will be hot. You can also melt things on the stove. Then mix together the butter and marshmallows. And add a teaspoon of vanilla. Then pour the melted marshmallows and butter in with the Rice Krispies and mix together. Then grease a pan and put the Rice Krispies and marshmallows into the pan. Press the Rice Krispies down in the pan. You might need to grease your hands if the Rice Krispies are too sticky. Then refrigerate or cool before you cut them.